Somewhere down the line, we changed and we grew and we fell out of touch as time goes by. Still I'm holding on to you. I know that it's time for me to let you go. I know that it's time for us to part, though it breaks my heart. Baby, it's time for me to face the truth and say it out loud. I don't know you anymore. To be inseparable, I used to stand by you. Now I'm only holding on to a bittersweet memory of you. Oh, I wish it wasn't true. I know that it's time for me to let you go. I know that it's time for us to part, though it breaks my heart. It's time for me to face the truth and say it out loud. I don't know you anymore. I don't know you anymore, like I used to do before. To think the world of you. Somewhere down the line, we change and we grow and we fall out of touch as time goes by. Oh, still I'm holding on. I know that it's time for me to let you go. I know that it's time for us to part, though it breaks my heart. Time for me to face the truth and say it out loud. I don't know you anymore. I don't know you anymore. I don't know you anymore, like I used to do before.
But if I focus on my mindset, I know it's gonna be alright. This is just how life is. It's going round in circles. It's going round in circles. It's going round in circles. Circles. It's going round in circles. I'm standing by the lake where we always used to hide. But now I'm running from myself. Got a feeling that my hands are tied. The water showed me the sky and a reflection of myself I don't recognize. I should be honest with myself, I no longer have you by my side. So my mindset, maybe and say, maybe this will be alright. This is just how life is. It's going round in circles. I said it's going round in circles, circles. It's going round in circles, circles. Yeah, it's going round in circles. It's going round in circles. I wake up in my bed, wondering if you have called. Sunlight hit my face, and leave a shadow on the wall. I'm falling down in disarray, 'cause these illusions in my head won't go away. I'm climbing up a mountain, trying my best not to fall. But if I focus on my mindset, I know it's gonna be alright. This is just how life is. It's going round in circles.